Can you grab it? There you go. You did it! Oh, you can get it, Roman.
Put it a little closer. There.
Oh. Do you love it? Do you
I
love
think you
it?
do.
Do you love it? Do you love it?
Let's see a smile. Let's see a smile. Roman. Yeah, there you go. There you go. You can smile, can't you? Yes, you can. I know you can.
Yeah.
Come on, give me a smile. Give me a smile. Yeah, that's a good one. That's a good one. Yes. Yeah. Uh-huh. You're smiling for Daddy, huh? Look at that. Look at that. Boo boo. Boo 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 boo. Boo 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 boo. Yes. You can smile.
That's a change, Charlie. The president conceding that private companies may change their employees' health care plans because of some circumstances that the government creates. But the president says health care reform is necessary.
Look at
Private
that.
companies may try
Oh, yes. Yes.
This afternoon, the president sat
You're so
down
cute.
with Diane Sawyer to talk